Hello everybody. This video is to announce the Halloween giveaway. The draw date for the Halloween giveaway is going to be October 21st. I'm going to do a live stream. We're either going to do a duck race or a wheel spin. I'm letting everybody choose what they would like. There's a post on my community page of whether you want to see a duck race or a wheel spin for the draw to decide the winner. But here, I'm going to show you guys the prize, which is a cute little bundle of a sweater, a shirt, a frosted glass tumbler, some stickers, and a coaster. For this giveaway, to enter, you just need to comment on this video, and your name will be added to the list. The list will be either added to the duck race or the wheel, depending on what we choose to go with for the draw. Again, the draw date is October 21st. If you want to enter, comment under this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified when I go live and when I upload. Good luck to everybody that enters, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.